Jenny. How much coconut oil should I use in cookies? I'm trying to figure out the correct amount.
Hey, Emily. Honestly, I just eyeball it every time. Sometimes it works, sometimes not.
Hey, are you also Emily trying to figure out the correct amount of coconut oil? Or what's best to use? Introducing tCheck 3, a smarter way to measure with clarity and precision. With tCheck 3, you can understand your mixture before you finalize it so you know exactly where you stand. It uses advanced testing technology to analyze the concentration and strength of your sample and provides clear, data-driven results in just a few minutes. The process is simple. You add your sample, run the test, and view the results directly on the device or connected app. With improved accuracy and better test-to-test consistency, you can rely on the results to guide your adjustments. This allows you to fine-tune your recipe more precisely, maintain consistency across batches, and have better control over your overall process. Whether you're experimenting or following a set recipe, tCheck 3 helps you make informed decisions instead of relying on estimates. tCheck 3. Precision starts here.